Former Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, is this evening raising concern about the impact social media is having on young people. Speaking at the Northern Caribbean University's graduation ceremony today, she stressed that while social media has its advantages, it may be causing serious psychological issues among young people. A compelling speech from former Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, as she addressed graduates of the Northern Caribbean University on Sunday. As they look to enter the labor force, she said good character and resilience are crucial. However,
what I have found with young people of today, with all of the technology and the brilliance, is that some of you tend to be very fragile. And that is why social media can become a toxic force.
And so she stressed that security of self is important, or the ability to self-motivate. Ms. Llewellyn said while social media can be beneficial in this digital age, it is often misused and it is impacting how many young people perform in the workplace.
Some of you sitting here today may or may not have a clear plan for the next 5 or 10 years. I encourage you, if you don't have it, have one, because that is what will enable you to be transformative and to have a purpose-driven life.
She pointed to a disturbing pattern that she has noticed over the years as a prosecutor, how the so-called easy money culture fueled by social media has led many young people down the wrong path.
With the advent of social media and scamming, you actually, big people will tell you that, who are into training, will have a cohort, luckily a minority of young people. Some of them, they don't want to work. They don't want to perspire. They don't want anything that is going to be too hard. Well, I'm here to tell you, if you want to be transformative and to eventually bring value, you cannot do it without being prepared to work hard.
Her comments come on the heels of the recent National Social Media Survey, which showed that 9 in 10 Jamaicans want stricter measures for minors who use social media. And 80% of Jamaicans are also appealing for the government to implement a national social media policy for children. It also follows expert warnings that many young Jamaicans are becoming social media addicts. And we take another break, but stay with us, more local stories when we come back.